Looking for the best photo light boxes? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 photo light boxes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Neewer Cube Diffusion Softbox Kit. Spacious interior with front and top openings. Slit fits all camera lenses. Material causes soft translucent lighting effect. Durable and easy to assemble. Includes carrying bag and 4 backgrounds. Photographers who need a lightweight and rugged photo shooting tent for medium-sized and smaller objects should consider this model. No built-in LED lighting. At number 2. DUCLUS Mini Photo Studio Light Box. Especially affordable. Features front and top openings. Built-in LED lighting. Includes 6 backgrounds. Long USB cable. Foldable. Best for photographing small items. Available in 4 sizes. Simple, inexpensive, and reliable, this little DUCLUS photo tent is a top option for thrifty photographers. Its LED lighting could be brighter. At number 1. EMART Photo Studio Light Box. Includes white, blue, black, and grey backgrounds. Featherweight and has a carrying handle. Integrated dimmable LED lighting. Includes phone tripod. Top and front facing holes. Long USB cable. Photographers who need a versatile and well-designed photo shooting tent for taking pictures of small objects will appreciate this portable model. Its tripod is basic, but acceptable. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.